welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I style my newest design, which is this very cute Leso print waterfall. I guess you can call it a waterfall. You can literally wear it with anything, so you can wear it during summer in a summer look like I'm doing right now, even if it's freezing. I am just doing this for the shoot, but yeah, so you can wear it with like a trendy summer, like as a trendy summer look, or you can also wear it during winter, which I'm going to show you during this video. So I hope you enjoy this video. This waterfall, Leso print waterfall, is currently on sale and is going for 2,500 Kenya shillings or 300 rand. So please DM me on my Styletech Designs by Teshie page if you guys want to make an order. Comment down below if you guys like any of these looks and tell me which look you prefer, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Close the curtains, 'cause all we need is candlelight, you and me, and a bottle of wine. Gonna hold you tonight, oh yeah. Well, we know I'm going away, and how I wish you weren't so take this wine and drink with me. Let's delay our misery. Save tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be save tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow.
Okay guys, so this is the second look I'm going to be styling today. This is a winter look, and the secret to styling my waterfall, which is a very versatile piece during different seasons or during different seasons of the year, is to just layer up, layer up. So if it's during winter or it's during the rainy season, just wear your polo necks and inside as many layers as you want, and then just pop this on top, and it will literally give your outfit such a pop. So there's no reason to look dull during winter. You can look fab with Styletech Designs. One last thing, I didn't mention in the previous look that this is also a Styletech design. This cutout that I was wearing in the previous look is also a Styletech design, and it's also going for, it's also on sale. So this is going for 2,500 Kenya shillings or 300 rand, and the reason it's a bit expensive is because of the jeans fabric that I use. It's very thick and very nice jeans fabric, so you know you're buying quality here with Styletech Designs. So yeah, if you want to order this as well, hit me up, Styletech Designs by Teshie on Instagram, and just give me a DM and I will hook you up. So let's move on to the second look.
Robins on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe